Please subscribe for more videos.
I found a red barn and it has the number 1 on it. Can you see if we can count all the barns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found 10 barns. Well done, everybody. Red, yellow, green, pink, blue, purple, orange, brown. Red, yellow, green, pink, blue, purple, orange, brown. Hi Marshall. Hi Chase.
Hi Rubble.
Can you help me? I've lost something in the sand. Let me get this shovel and see if I can find it. What's hiding in the sand? Oh, it's a letter. It's the letter A, and it's in the shape of a heart. This is the letter A in the shape of a heart. Who knows what colour this is? This is green. Well done. Help me make this one. Giraffe, bear, crocodile, hippo, mouse. We made it. Knock it down. Pink, blue, yellow, green. For this next mission, I'm gonna need your help, Marshall. Let's dig away. What? I found something. I found something hiding. It's another letter. It's the same colour as Marshall. What colour is this shape? The same colour as Marshall. It is red. And the letter is B. This letter is B. And it's red, just like Marshall. Do you know what shape it is? It's got 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. Let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. For this next mission, I'm gonna need you, Chase. Can you help me? Yes, woof woof. Come on then, Chase, let's see if we can find anything. Oh, something's coming. And the colour looks the same as Chase. What colour is this one? It's blue. Chase is dark blue and this shape is light blue. What shape is this one? A star. It's the letter C. We found the letter C. Let's try this one. Sheep, bear, giraffe, mouse, elephant, crocodile, rhino. We made it. Well done. Knock it down. I wonder if there's anything else. Tap, 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 tap. Let's go digging. See if we can find anything. Can you see anything? Another letter. What letter is that one? It's the letter D. This is the letter D. Let's keep digging to see what shape it is. What shape is it? Completely round. It's a circle. It's a circle. And what colour is this? This one is actually called navy blue. This is navy blue. This is red. Red. This is yellow. Yellow. This is green. Green. This is pink. Pink. This is blue. Blue. This is purple. purple. This is orange. Orange. This is brown. Brown. Rubble, can you help me on the mission this time? Rubble on the double. Woof woof. Okay, Rubble on the double. Let's get digging. Something you love to do. Oh, we found something. What letter is this one? This is the letter E. This is the letter E. Come on, Rubble. Let's keep digging to see what shape it is. We've got it. So, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's a square. It's a square. These are 8 different colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks, Pups, for helping me on my mission. Time for you to have some fun of your own. Bye!
Please subscribe for more videos.